So I had the pleasure, immense pleasure, of taking Coach Mia's meal prep workshop at the Black Lesbians United retreat back when we were all still seeing people. And I can honestly say I've never been more grateful and just like excited to know the information that she shared on just like meal prepping, on demystifying the process of like making your own food, making smoothies, things that like are not just tasty, but like that are good for you. And it's like, honestly, like prior to this, I was never in the kitchen. And on the other end of it, I feel more prepared, especially now where we can't go out for things that we used to. And it's such an informative workshop. I learned so much and feel a lot more prepared for being inside and in quarantine with some of her tips. So I highly recommend checking it out. You don't want to miss it. Thank you so much, Mia, for the guidance and tips on how to be healthier. See you guys.